Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have on Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.